Hello everyone, welcome to HitPaw Edimakor. Have you ever seen videos like this before, or witnessed such transformation effects in movies? You might think these require advanced video editing skills to achieve, but now, with Edimakor's AI special effects feature, you can easily become a video editing expert with just one click. Let's take a look at how this is done. Before we begin, please install Edimakor on your computer, which is a powerful AI video editing software. Open HitPaw Edimakor on your desktop, then create a new project. Go to AI Video and select the AI Effects function. Select the Hulk special effect under the Epic Morph category. Import the image, choose the video settings, and click Generate. Now let's take a look at our creation. Isn't it amazing? Similarly, we can also create Iron Man. Just repeat the simple steps we did, and you can become your favorite Marvel hero. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Happy editing! See you next time.